Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the camera's near and far clip planes. This is crucial because precision errors originate there. Set the near plane as high as tolerable, like 0, 1 to 0, 5, to regain depth precision. Once done, confirm whether you use perspective or orthographic projection, since they clip differently. Also, make sure your scene scale matches Unity's 1 unit equals 1 meter expectation, because extreme scales amplify clipping problems and floating point issues, so fix scale early. Next, tighten depth precision by shrinking the depth range. Move the near plane outward and limit the far plane. This gives more Z-buffer accuracy where you need it. If available, enable reverse Z or logarithmic depth shaders. These change how depth is distributed, improving distant precision. Once implemented, consider scene partitioning. Use multiple cameras, load regions, or floating origin techniques so each camera handles a smaller depth range and therefore minimizes clipping and Z-fighting across vast scenes. To finish, validate your fixes. Play the scene and test on target hardware, because mobile and console GPUs differ in depth precision. If specific objects still clip, apply shader offsets, polygon offset, or render them in dedicated camera layers to force draw order. This resolves stubborn Z-fighting. If problems persist, step back through your changes one at a time. Revert to previous values to isolate the cause, and always reconfirm scene scale and the camera near/far values as the final sanity check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.